Do you want to create your own stencil inexpensively at home? Today, I'll be showing how you can create two different types of stencils at your home using your computer or laptop. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. First, we'll be learning how to create a picture stencil. To begin with, open a new window on your web browser and type Silhouette Images in the search panel. Select the Images option as I'm showing here. You'll land up with a wide selection of simple to complex designs for your stencils. You'll be spoiled for choice just like me here. Select any image you like. I'm choosing this image here. Right-click on it and select Save Image As. Select the location for saving your file and select Save. Your file will be saved in the desired location. Open a new MS Word file and minimize the window. Right-click on the image you downloaded for your stencil, select Copy, open the minimized window and select Paste. The image will be copied to Word. Now, you can adjust the size of the image as per your preference, and once you are done, you can save it. If you have a printer, you can print it, but if you don't, you can always get it printed from outside. If you have a printer, right-click on the saved Word file and click Print from the dialog box. Your image will be printed. Next, we'll be learning how to create a text stencil. To begin with, open a new tab on your web browser and type Stencil Fonts in the search panel. Google will return search results of various websites from where you can select and download stencil fonts. Select any website you choose. You'll land up with a wide selection of simple to complex text stencil templates. You can see there's a wide category to choose from along with sample texts that have been given. Choose any one font by clicking on it. you will be directed to the link to download it. When you click on the download button, your file will be downloaded as a zip folder. Open the zip folder and select the file with .ttf extension. A window with options of printing and installing will open. Click the Install option and please remember the name of the file. Next, open a new Word file and search the name of the stencil font in the font list. Once you find it, select it and type the caption for your stencil in the blank Word page. Adjust it as per your preference, and once you are done, save it to your desired location. Print it by following the instructions I showed while teaching you how to create an image stencil. Always use cartridge paper, cardstock or OHP sheet to print out your stencil, or the stencil will tear out while cutting. You can print out the template on ordinary paper and then trace it out on your preferred material. Use a sharp paper cutter or X-Acto knife while carefully cutting out the template. Lastly, use a solid base to place your stencil for cutting.